hindi ko na aamoy pagka-menthol niya. Nararamdaman ko kapag malamig. And it's likely that I'll be like this forever. So, ayan, alam niyo na kung ano yung congenital anosmia. So, meron ako noon, bakit nga ba ako gumawa ng perfume line? So, dahil nga hindi ako nakakaamoy, I became very conscious of my scent, lalo na nung naging teenager ako. Kasi imagine niyo, I'm always surrounded by artistas, I always meet new people, mga fans. Siyempre, di pwede na mabaho ako or may amoy ako, diba? And bilang bida-bida, gusto ko mabango ako. Naaalala nila yung amoy ko. So, I became very obsessed with perfumes and unti-unti nagkaroon ako ng perfume collection. Tapos, lagi ako nagre-research ng mga mababango. Ano ba yung perfume ng mga sikat na artista na to? I think umabot sa point na parang naging luho ko na siya kasi grabe, ang mamahal ng mga pabango ng mga sikat na artista sa Hollywood. Tapos yun yung mga binibili ko. And the biggest compliment for me is whenever people say, ang bango ko. Lalo na ang love language ko is words of affirmation. So it kind of assures me that I smell good, that I'm okay, na wala akong amoy, hindi ako mabaho, parang ganun. Kapag may nagsabi, ang bango-bango mo naman. Kinikilid talaga ako, parang, really? Okay, so okay lang ako. Okay, so tama yung mga homework na ginagawa ko, yung mga research na ginagawa ko. Lalo na kasi kapag wala kang pangamoy, araw-araw mong iisipin na, may na ba ako? Mabaho ba ako? Baka ganyan nakakahiya. And not to sound boastful or hindi ko kayo sinesales talk, but lagi ako nasasabihan na mabango ako. But yeah, so kaya mahalaga sa akin ang pabango. And since I really enjoy perfumes, I have a collection, I have some knowledge about it, and I also have a business, my team and I decided na, tara, labas tayo ng perfume. But at first, I was skeptical about it. Siyempre, paano ba ito mag-work? Paano ako mabibenta yung isang bagay na hindi ko naman naaamoy? Paano magtitiwala ang mga tao kapag nagbenta ang isang walang pang-amoy ng pabango at ang requirement ng pabango is maamoy mo siya? Lalo na, I was scarred from a previous experience before. So long story short, I was offered a brand endorsement. But they backed out when they found out about my disability. And syempre, umiyak ako. I was super frustrated kasi parang, what can I do about it? Parang I was born like this. It's not really my fault. But 2 years after, ito na tayo. Nagbebenta na ako ng perfume. Kasi perfume isn't just for you to smell. It's not just for me to smell. It's also for the people around me to smell. Scents create memories. And even though I can't smell, I still have a collection of memories with people through scents. So yun na nga yun yung story time kung paano at bakit. Gagawin ko po tong series. So huwag kayong mag-alala, magkikwento pa ako kung paano yung product dev and everything. So yeah, this is Lucky Beauty's first perfume collection. So sa tatlo na to, this is my personal scent. This is the personal scent of someone who was born without the ability to smell. So go ahead and check it out and make it yours.